Hola clase, en este video vamos a hablar sobre cosas importantes para esta semana. Vamos a ver aquí en el course calendar lo que ustedes tienen que entregar. Ya estamos en la semana 5, con el capítulo 8, pero esta semana nos toca gramática. Para el miércoles ustedes tienen que entregar el Learn Smart que está en Connect, que ver los tutoriales de gramática que también están en Connect. Igual para el domingo tienen las tareas de gramática del capítulo 8 y también la primera prueba con un compañero o una compañera. Ahora bien, vamos a ver lo que ustedes tienen que hacer aquí en Connect. ¿Bien? Okay, so here I have the activities. And we see that the first activity that we have due is the Learn Smart, here, due September 16th, Wednesday, from Chapter 8. Later, you have by Sunday the Chapter 8 grammar activities, as well as the first quiz with a partner. So if you go into this quiz, you'll be provided with the information, the topic of the quiz. Remember, this is the first quiz we're completing with a partner. Okay, you will coordinate with your partner to decide a time that works for both of you, and you will go to start assignment, record, and then submitting it. Okay, so those are the activities that we have for this upcoming week. If you go to our course content page, you'll see the partners for the quizzes, and this will give you a list of everyone's names that are in the class. Okay, and if you, sorry, let me go back to the announcements. So if you go to our announcements, I have also posted here the different partner groups. Okay, so you'll be able to find your name and your partner's name here. Okay, if you had any questions about who your partner is, then you go to course content, partners for quizzes. You'll find their name somewhere in this list. Send email. Okay, you'll look for your partner's name. I'm just pretending this is my partner. You will put their name in the selected box. That way you can coordinate with each other. You guys can either email back and forth, or you can exchange contact information to determine when you are able to meet up with each other. Okay, so that's what we have going on for this week. I wanted to also make sure that it was clear. Let me go back here, back to the student view, that when I ask you to watch the grammar tutorials, what I'm referring to are the tutorials that are in the textbook, as well as the tutorials that I create. Okay, so let's see, we are in chapter 8. So you will go to the chapter 8 grammar section, which is here, 21, 22, 23. And then you will search for the grammar tutorial, which just popped up. These are very short. This one's only about 4 minutes long. And this will help you as well when you are completing the activities. Okay, so those are the first grammar tutorials. And then the other tutorials that you watch will be under recorded lectures, which are the ones that I post, okay? So those are the activities, the tutorials that you watch to help support you in the grammar exercises. Okay, so if you have any questions, please reach out to me, and I hope that you guys all have a great week.